Hi, I'm Martin and I'm passionate about cooking outdoors. I've been cooking outdoors now since 2020, and for the last 12 months my family have been encouraging me to start a YouTube channel so that I can share all my experience with others like-minded as me. As it's my first video, I thought it would be a great opportunity to introduce myself and show you my outdoor kitchen. It all started when I built my own mini tandoor out of some brand new flower pots we had in the shed. This was very successful, so I went on to build a much larger tandoor. I don't tend to use the tandoor as much as I did since building a wood-fired oven and using a Kamado. I do however, keep looking at it and thinking maybe I should start to use it again and experiment a bit more than I did before. Unfortunately, as we can see, it's gone into a little bit of disrepair. It's soaking wet. All the vermiculite is now soaking wet. There's no insulation. Yeah, it's very damp. But yeah, with a little bit of TLC, I might be able to get it going again and hopefully start experimenting with it. Having got the bug for cooking on my tandoor, I decided to go a step further and build my own wood-fired oven on a patch of unused garden. So far, this has only been used for pizza parties, roasting and bread making, but I'm going to be experimenting a lot more on it this year. This led on to the addition of a worktop I built with sleepers. In 2021, I purchased an Aldi Kamado. This is where I learned a lot more about outdoor cooking. My granddaughter also learned how to cook marshmallows. In 2023, I invested in a Kamado Joe Classic 1, which has provided a lot more versatility. So that's my story so far. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and comment, and I'll see you soon.